Backwashing and rinsing your Hayward sand filter is essential for maintaining clean and efficient filtration. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process so you can keep your pool water crystal clear. When your pressure gauge reads 8 to 10 psi above normal, it's time to backwash. Start by turning off the pump and setting the valve to the backwash position. Restart the pump and backwash until the sight glass is clear. This process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how much debris has built up in the sand tank. Once backwashing is complete, turn off the pump and set the valve to the rinse position. Rinsing clears out any remaining debris in the line. Turn the pump back on and rinse until the sight glass is clear, which usually takes about 30 seconds. After rinsing, turn off the pump and set the valve back to the filter position. And that's it. Your Hayward sand filter is backwashed, rinsed, and ready to keep your pool water sparkling clean. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.